welcome back to Josie Pop. So for today's video, we are going to make a chocolate Guinness birthday cake. Yes. So for the ingredients, we are going to need a Guinness, a can of Guinness, a granulated sugar, butter, plain flour, 3 eggs, sour cream, vanilla extract, a baking soda, and also a cocoa powder. So I'm going to leave the rest of the ingredients on the description. Like for example, if you want to know how much sugar we're using, so we're using quite a lot. It's like 600 grams of sugar. So I'll leave all the details into my description box, and alternatively, if you want to make this as well, do let me know. I'm happy to send you guys the recipe. So let's start. So in a large saucepan, what we are going to do is melt your butter, sugar, and also the Guinness at medium heat. Okay. So it was snowing this morning. It's melted at the moment, but I can see the fog. So it's gonna be like dark just now, and it's only like 1:30 in the afternoon. We just wait for this to melt, and once it's melted, we'll take it off the heat. Whisk until it's combined, so that looks good. And in a separate bowl, we need to whisk our eggs. So we've got 3 eggs. So we are then going to put the full tub of sour cream onto our eggs and our vanilla after. And then we'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We are then going to sift in our flour and baking soda. So for our baking soda, we are going to need 3.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So I've got 1. Oops. Sift in your mixture. So like that. Okay. So for this cake, you need to preheat your oven at 180 if it's not fan, and 160 for fan assisted oven. So once it's all mixed, we are then going to split our butter into 2 from 9 tins. So let's see. We are then going to bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes. Back in a tick, and after an hour, that's your cake ready. So that's it. That's my cake made. So I'm just going to let it cool, and we are then going to decorate it. So this is the Guinness cake that we made yesterday, and we are going to make the frosting. So this is a very easy cream cheese frosting. We are going to need cream cheese, double cream, icing sugar or powdered sugar, cornstarch, which is 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to add a tiny bit of vanilla, and of course a final one is a salted caramel sauce. So I got this from Tesco. We are then going to beat this one first of all. So once it's smooth, we are then going to sift our icing sugar and also our cornflour. So what I'm going to do is with that. So for your cornflour, you need at least 2 teaspoons. So you just put them on the icing and then sift it. And then I'll add a tiny bit of vanilla. And then I'm going to put my double cream. Okay. And that's our frosting done. We are then just going to melt this one first of all as well. I'm going to decorate it. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit just to make sure the cake stays. Cake ready. There we go. One down. So I've melted my salted caramel. Okay. I'm going to chill the cake first, and then I'll come back and smooth the edges as well. There you go. So this is my chocolate Guinness with salted caramel birthday cake. So if you like this video, give it a wee thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe button. And I shall see you all on the next videos. Cheerio!